Hi. So as MD8 has been released and we should be expecting MD 8.5 or MD9 soon. So today I'll be talking about my expectations from Marvelous Designer's next release. Rendering. So having worked in MD for about 4 years now, and I've had to use third-party apps which isn't resourceful to me as an artist, time and money wise, I think it would be nice if we had an inbuilt render engine, even if it's not a high-profile render engine. A very simple ray tracing render engine or an OpenGI or GPU rendering engine without having to migrate to another software. If this is implemented, the artists will not have to spend money to buy license for other applications if they could just add sculpt features, which is a major plus by the way for MD8. Then rendering engine will not be a problem. It will save us time from snapshotting or sniping our images and even screen recording our animations. Think of Substance Painter, for instance. They have an array render engine which helps to preview or render directly there. So all these years with all these updates, I think Marvelous Designer should at least have a render engine now, no matter how simple it is. Like, I think Chloe has one, so why not just add one for us to preview our designs? Lighting. In line with rendering, a basic 3-point lighting can be enough depending on what the artist is going for. In most cases for product visualization, we can stick to a dome light like we did in these other renders, with some area lights to tint and also as backlight. Accessories. I believe the aim of updating an application is to limit the level of migration to other softwares. So talking about accessories, I think Marvelous Designer should up their game in adding more accessories, like give us more hair for the avatar, give us more shoes for the avatar. And talking about shoes, for those that actually design shoes in Marvelous Designer, we need soles for these shoes, because at the end of the day, when you design a shoe, it gets so soft like cloth that it doesn't have solid, and we have to either import an OBJ from another application. So providing basic accessories that can help us during our design would be really amazing. You can also give us primitive solids that we can use as bases for designing things like umbrellas and so on. Show reels. If you've been using MD for a while now, you know that to record your show reels, you will have to screen record the animation and stitch them in an editing software afterwards, or you will have to export the animation caches to softwares like 3D Max, Maya, or the likes of them. I think it's high time MD starts considering designers who doesn't have the luxury of learning a new software just for the sole purpose of getting a more presentable show reel. So personally, I use Marmoset, 3D Max, or Maya depending on the pipeline I want to use at the time. But when I get questions from designers who doesn't know any other software aside MD, I really don't know how to help, because it's a case of embarking on a journey to learn a new software. Avatar. So this is me craving the indulgence of the Marvelous Design team. Please, from my research, the female C happens to be the mostly used avatar. So please, we are craving your indulgence. We need more motions for her and increase her accessories, please. She's not grounded. And another thing, we need pregnant avatars, please, with poses and motions and accessories to go with them. Thank you. So this is it for this video, and this is the bit I can think of, and if I remember more, I'll make a part 2 for this video, and I hope the Marvelous Designer team will put this into consideration at least, and we'll be really grateful. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.